Alright, so we're going to continue with the NLP practitioner workbook, the training program, and basically you can get all this manual from the link on the video. What you can do also is get a Microsoft Word version, basically a version that you can copy, paste, and edit, or just edit right there, because this is a workbook, a playbook, where you build word games, and in that way you meta model your attributes. And what the hell do I mean with this? And David, hey, why do I really care about this thing? What should I care about this? Well, as you know, neurolinguistic programming has been around for a while. I've been personally practicing for the last 12 years, and what I found attractive of this system is that neurolinguistic programming is based in how the linguistical constructs, basically all the sentences, the statements, the questions, all these constructs that you build with language actually form the inner dialogue that drives you through life. So in this training, what I want to show you are those verbal patterns that actually change behaviors. I'm going to start by resourcefulness. This is a simple statement that you start this way. As a practitioner, I would like a methodology that helps me read faster, for example. As a professional, I would like a tool that helps me send 300 emails in 1 minute, whatever. So as you can tell, if you use this pattern, you basically trigger your inner resources and your subconscious mind to actually start finding the answers of how to get what you actually need. Another pattern is proactive thinking. Basically the to get things done pattern. To get things done, I need a tool that helps me with this or that. So basically, I'm just going to type ahead here. To get X, I need to get things done. To get X thing done. Now let's talk about productive thinking and the to get things done pattern. Options to get. The options to get pattern. To get X thing, you need this. To get this thing done, my plan is to do this. To get this thing done, my best option is to do this and that. Belief building, how do you build it? Exercise, complete the sentences. I believe I can fly. I believe I can go to whatever I want. I believe I can get the resources. I believe I can become an expert. I believe in my skills. I believe I can get way more of what I have already. So these are basically champion mindsets, elite athlete mindsets. They also use things such as habit building. For example, every day I will do this. Every week I like to do this or that. Every year I go to this place or that place. Now let's talk about the cause-consequence, the if-then pattern. We use this all the time, every day when we think, well, if I go to this party, then I'm going to meet with this guy, and then no, I don't. Oh, if I go here, then this happens. Or maybe you will think more positively. Well, maybe if I work out 30 minutes per day, I will get a six-pack. I will be fit. I will have more endurance, etc. So all it takes for this mental training is basically time box yourself. In this case, the duration will be 2 minutes per statement fill up. If I do this, then this happens. If I eat McDonald's, then I get fat like hell. You know, If I eat vegetables, then I get leaner. So the if I do then pattern is very important to absorb, to actually embed and engrave in your brain. Now let's talk about the cause consequence using the when word. Again, let's complete the sentences. When this happens, this other thing happens. When I do this, I get that. When I go to this place, I feel this way. When I talk to this person, I feel this way. So again, the structure may define content, because the structure basically gives you a framework for thinking efficiently. So how to go and get a pattern. So again, the exercise here in this program will be to complete the sentences. These sentences start by I will go to, I will go to this or that place and get this or that thing, and get this or that experience. Let's read aloud the third one. On blank, I will go to blank. On Thursday, I will go to the supermarket. On Thursday, I will go to the airport. I will go to the hair salon, whatever. Let's talk about resource allocation and research. A really easy pattern that you can just learn in seconds. To get this, I need that. All the time you might use this pattern. What I'm telling you is just be aware of when do you use it and keep using it, because this is the pattern, my friend, that is going to help you allocate and find resources to get what you want. To get what you want, I need these things. We are not saying buts or ifs. We are saying this is what I need to get, and this is what I want to get. And this is where I have to go. So in the second statement, to get the thing that I was talking here, I will go to this place. Couple of thinking tools. Time contracts. Time contracts are really, really essential. Basically, what you are saying here is that during the next X minutes, you will do X or Z thing. During the next 30 minutes, I will cook my meal. During the next 10 minutes, I will do my laundry. This is indeed a very powerful pattern. During the next. Repeat to yourself and absorb this pattern. Another one that I want to teach you here from the book, from the manual, the training playbook, is acquisition location. Location. What the hell this means? It means that you are going to acquire something from somewhere else. I can get milk from the superstore. I can get chocolate from the grocery store. I can get my salary increased from sending a letter. Another pattern that you can use is I can get by. I can get more money by doing this or that. Leave your brain open to interpret the feelables. I can get this thing by doing that. I can get this thing. Every time you want to get something, you're going to recall this pattern. You can get it by doing this. Again, no but, no ifs, no conditionals. You want it, you get it. Excuse making thinking, a very common typical negative pattern in most of the cases. This is what we use to make excuses. I want to do this, but I can't because I want and I can't, but I want and I will is what you actually want. What I call wanting and doing is I want and I will. If you want something, you want to do it. Simply repeat to yourself, I want it and I will do it. I want it and I will do it. I want it and I will get it. I want it. And I will do it. I want it, and I will get it. The discovery sense pattern, another one. Basically here is you take your pen and paper and you write down sentences starting by I like to discover. Very powerful prompt that will basically trigger you all the possibilities of trips, vacation ideas, inventions, things that you want to discover. I like to discover a new place. I like to discover a new project. I like to discover. Same as all these patterns, there are many more in the link below, so you just go and download the Magic Structures of Language training book. One click away, and keep watching the videos and practice. Thank you very much.